Hey everybody, welcome back to Step for Living, and if you want to know how to make these Peter Rabbit wood slices, stay tuned. So first I'm going to start with these wood slices that I got from Amazon. I will include the link down in the description, and they were fairly inexpensive, and I got about 20 of them for I think around $12. I'm just going to use some simple acrylic paint in the color white, and we're just going to go around and paint the back of that wood slice. For mine, I chose to leave a bit of the wood exposed, but you can paint all the way up to the edge if you would like. After you paint all your wood slices, you're just going to need some regular printer paper, some masking or painter's tape, and a piece of white tissue paper cut to slightly larger than your piece of paper. Using your masking or painter's tape, you're just going to tape the tissue paper to the printer paper, and you want to make sure it's as taut as possible so you don't risk having any parts caught up in your printer. You want to make sure it's securely taped on all sides. On the bottoms, I chose to fold over the corners just to make sure it was extra secure. For the pictures I'm going to be using, I'm using the designs from the original Peter Rabbit because they are in the public domain now due to some copywriting issues. So they're free to print, and I'll link where I found mine's at. And I just ran that through my printer and cut the pieces out. And now you have beautifully printed pictures on tissue paper. The benefits of using tissue paper for this project is because the tissue paper is so thin, it really allows for it to blend into the wood slice and create kind of like a seamless finish. Whereas if you use regular paper, you'll always see that line of demarcation between the paper and the edge of the wood. Using Mod Podge, I'm just going to attach the tissue paper print to the wood slice. And then I'm just going to go over top with Mod Podge and a brush to get a nice smooth finish and to really just flare out those edges. Spring and Easter are one of my favorite times of year to decorate. And for the first time, I didn't feel this need to rush out to Home Goods or TJ Maxx or Dollar Tree and kind of just load up on all these kind of like disposable and fleeting types of decor pieces. I really wanted to create like a well curated space that it feels homey and personal, and I was super excited to find out that these pieces were in the public domain because it reminds you of your childhood. As somebody who used to consume so much stuff, I'm really trying to become more intentional with what I bring into my home, because there's a level of anxiety with having so much stuff in your home that doesn't speak to who you are. I decided to string these up with some jute and then hang them from the shelves in my daughter's room, and I think they came out looking so pretty and so classic. They look more like they're custom-made ornaments, and they hang beautifully, and they just add a bit of whimsy to a space without making it look too childish. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune back in for when I fully decorate these shelves and do more Easter decor throughout my home. Thanks for stopping by Stepford. Bye.